Today, we are excited to take you on a virtual journey to Rugan Island, a hidden gem in the Baltic Sea. In this Rugan Island travel guide, we will share with you essential tips and tricks for a perfect trip to this enchanting destination. Rugan Island, the largest island in Germany, is renowned for its stunning landscapes, charming seaside resorts, and rich cultural heritage. From picturesque white cliffs to lush beach forests, Rugan Island offers a diverse range of experiences for every type of traveler. Throughout this video, we will delve into the key aspects that you can expect to learn about to ensure a memorable trip to Rugan Island. Whether you are a nature enthusiast, history buff, or simply seeking a relaxing getaway, Rugan Island has something for everyone. Proper planning is crucial for making the most of your trip to Rugan Island. We will provide you with insider tips on the best time to visit, must-see attractions, hidden gems, local cuisine, and transportation options. By following our recommendations, you can avoid common pitfalls and make the most of your time on this beautiful island. So sit back, relax, and get ready to embark on a virtual adventure to Rugan Island. But before we dive into our list, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss out on our latest adventures. Let's make your dream trip a reality. Getting to Rugan Island. When it comes to reaching Rugan Island, there are several transportation options to choose from, each offering a unique and scenic journey to this captivating destination. Whether you prefer the convenience of a ferry, the comfort of a train, or the flexibility of a car, there is a mode of transportation that suits every traveler's preferences. Ferry services are a popular choice for those looking to enjoy a leisurely voyage to Rugan Island. Departing from various ports along the Baltic Sea coast, ferries offer stunning views of the surrounding waters and coastline. Be sure to check the ferry schedules in advance and book your tickets early to secure your spot on board. For travelers who prefer a more land-based journey, trains provide a comfortable and efficient way to reach Rugan Island. The island is connected to the mainland by a bridge, making train travel a convenient option for those looking to avoid traffic and enjoy the scenic countryside along the way. If you crave the freedom to explore at your own pace, renting a car is an excellent choice for traveling to Rugan Island. The island's well-maintained roads and picturesque routes make for a delightful road trip experience. Stop by charming villages, scenic viewpoints, and historical sites along the way to enhance your journey to Rugan Island. Accommodation and Stay. Finding the perfect place to stay on Rugan Island is essential for a comfortable and memorable trip. With a variety of accommodation options to choose from, ranging from luxurious hotels to cozy guest houses, there is something to suit every traveler's taste and budget. For those seeking a touch of luxury, upscale hotels and resorts on Rugan Island offer top-notch amenities, stunning views, and impeccable service. Consider booking a room at one of the island's renowned beachfront properties for a truly indulgent experience. Travelers on a budget can opt for charming guest houses and bed and breakfasts that provide cozy accommodations at affordable rates. These accommodations often offer a more personalized experience and a chance to connect with the local community. When planning your stay on Rugan Island, it is advisable to book your accommodation in advance, especially during peak travel seasons. This ensures that you secure your preferred room type and avoid any last-minute hassles. Consider the proximity of your accommodation to key attractions and amenities when making your booking. Staying near popular sites, restaurants, and transportation hubs can enhance your overall experience and make exploring the island more convenient. Ultimately, selecting the right accommodation on Rugan Island comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Whether you prefer a beachfront retreat, a historic inn, or a cozy cottage, there is a perfect place for you to call home during your stay on this enchanting island. Exploring Rugan Island. Rugan Island is a treasure trove of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and outdoor adventures waiting to be discovered. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, this enchanting island offers a diverse range of attractions and activities for every type of traveler. One of the must-visit attractions on Rugan Island is Jasmin National Park, home to the famous chalk cliffs of Rügen. Take a hike along the picturesque trails and marvel at the stunning views of the Baltic Sea from atop the cliffs. Another iconic landmark not to be missed is Cape Arona, where you can explore historic lighthouses and enjoy panoramic views of the rugged coastline. For outdoor enthusiasts, Rugan Island offers a plethora of activities to enjoy. Embark on a cycling adventure along scenic coastal paths, paddle through crystal clear waters on a kayaking excursion, or try your hand at windsurfing or kiteboarding in the Baltic Sea. In addition to popular attractions, Rugan Island is also home to hidden gems that offer a unique and authentic experience. Visit the charming seaside village of Selin and stroll along the historic Selin Pier, lined with colorful beach chairs and bustling cafes. Explore the quaint fishing village of Vit, known for its thatched roof cottages and tranquil atmosphere, for a glimpse into traditional island life away from the crowds. Culinary Delights. One of the highlights of visiting Rugan Island is indulging in its rich culinary heritage and savoring the flavors of the region. From traditional dishes to fresh seafood specialties, the island's cuisine is a true delight for food enthusiasts. When it comes to traditional dishes, Rugen or herringsbro is a must-try delicacy on Rugan Island. This hearty dish features marinated herring fillets served on dark rye bread with onions, pickles, and a dollop of creamy sauce. The combination of flavors and textures is sure to tantalize your taste buds and give you a true taste of the island's culinary tradition. Seafood lovers will be in paradise on Rugan Island, where fresh catches from the Baltic Sea are transformed into delectable dishes. Indulge in succulent smoked fish, grilled prawns, and creamy fish soups at local restaurants and seafood shacks along the coast. For a memorable dining experience, be sure to visit restaurants, cafes, and food markets known for their quality and authenticity. Sample regional specialties at cozy taverns in charming villages, dine al fresco at beachfront eateries with panoramic views, or explore bustling food markets to taste a variety of local treats. To fully immerse yourself in Rugan Island's culinary culture, don't be afraid to try new dishes and flavors. Engage with locals, ask for recommendations, and be open to exploring the diverse culinary landscape of the island. Bon appétit! Safety and etiquette. As you embark on your journey to Rugan Island, it is important to prioritize safety and cultural etiquette to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience on this picturesque island. By following essential guidelines and showing respect for the local customs, you can make the most of your trip while contributing to the preservation of Rugan Island's natural beauty and heritage. Before setting out to explore Rugan Island, familiarize yourself with the weather conditions and pack accordingly. Be prepared for changing weather patterns, especially if you plan to engage in outdoor activities. Carry essential items such as sunscreen, water, and appropriate clothing to stay comfortable and protected during your adventures. In case of emergencies, save important contact numbers for local authorities, medical services, and your accommodation. It is also advisable to have travel insurance that covers medical expenses and emergency evacuations. Respectful behavior towards locals, nature, and historical sites is key to fostering positive interactions and preserving the island's cultural and environmental integrity. Follow designated trails, avoid littering, and adhere to any conservation guidelines when exploring natural areas. When visiting historical sites, show reverence and refrain from touching or damaging artifacts. By practicing responsible tourism and embracing cultural etiquette, you can contribute to the sustainability of Rugan Island's tourism industry and help protect its natural resources for future generations to enjoy. Let's all do our part in preserving the beauty and charm of this enchanting island. As we come to the end of our Rugan Island travel guide, let's recap the essential tips and tricks that will help you plan a perfect trip to this enchanting destination. From exploring iconic landmarks and indulging in local cuisine to practicing safety and cultural etiquette, Rugan Island offers a wealth of experiences for every traveler. Remember to consider various transportation options, choose accommodations that suit your preferences, and immerse yourself in the island's natural beauty and cultural heritage. Whether you're seeking outdoor adventures, culinary delights, or peaceful moments by the sea, Rugan Island has something for everyone. We hope this guide has inspired you to embark on your own Rugan Island adventure and create lasting memories on this picturesque island. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides, like this video, and share it with fellow travelers who are seeking their next dream destination. For additional travel inspiration and tips, be sure to explore related content on our channel. Discover hidden gems, insider recommendations, and expert advice to enhance your travel experiences and make the most of your future adventures. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey to Rugan Island. Until next time, happy travels.